Alright, I'm back, and I'm still on a power strip slash power brick kick. Last week we did this little Bestek, the 3003. This week we're doing the big brother, the 8008. I have not opened this one yet, but let's take a look. So first things first, this thing's $40 on Amazon, so it's $14 more expensive than the 3003. Let's see what's in the box. Obviously the little tower here, we'll look at that in a second. Let's drop these off. Quick instructions, very simple. Once again, the Bestek Chinese warranty card. Use your WhatsApp or your WeChat, which nobody in the States uses, to register it, and then you get better warranty. I don't know if that's true, but they say it is, so we'll trust them. Let's hop into this thing. Now, that is a beefy power brick, or, well, not power brick, multi-port power plug, I guess? Let's see if we can get this thing open. Alright, so here we go. Standard 3-plug power prong. Looks like a 7-foot cord. Let's plug this thing in real quick. I think I have a plug over here. Alright, that was harder than I thought it was going to be, but I'm back. Alright, this thing is now plugged in. It looks like it's got two different levels, so you can turn the upper or the lower one on and off. If you take a look right here, see how that works? So each level has 4 standard plugs, and then we have 3 USBs on one side, 3 USBs on the other side. They're all Type A, all 2.4 amps, so old school fast charging, I guess. It does not have a mounting point like the other one did, but it seems pretty stable on here. There's one model of these that actually has a wireless charger on the top. This one does not. I'm going to ask them to send me another one. And then it has a hard reset in case the circuit breaker pops in any way, shape, or form. It's actually not a bad looking thing if you look at it. For a larger area with like a bunch of people sitting around, I think this would be a better version of this. And by the way, you can see this video right up here. That's from a week ago. I do really like this one though for your own personal use. With that, I'm gonna head to the office with this one and take a look at it. See ya over there, right? Alright, it's 4th of July weekend, but instead of taking the power station to the office, I decided to do something better. I'm at my aunt and uncle's house, and here in the kitchen, this plug used to be the center for everybody because here's the living area, here's the kitchen, and everybody would want to charge their phones right here. But instead, what I did is cut a little slit in the carpet right down here, ran the cord underneath the couch to that power jack, and put the charging station right there, which means that all of the kids' tablets, phones, laptops can charge underneath the coffee table. That seemed, ooh, let me get some light on my face. That seems to be the perfect solution for that Bestek charger station. The next one that I get will have the wireless charging on top, which is even better. Anyway, with that, thanks for watching. On to the next video.